So he makes us work out and we don't even know we've started. And I think those kind of workouts are the best. But I genuinely like working out. Like I like doing my squats. I like burning my muscles. I like that feel. I feel like, okay, my pizza is getting burnt. I feel really good. I personally like, it's a personal achievement. I feel like, yes, you're going. I know you're going. So I love all workouts. Anything that gives me the sweet pain of, muscles being worked, I love. My favorite healthy munchies would be plugging in Sanaya again. She makes these amazing oats cookies in cocoa and everything. They're really healthy. I really like those. They're big, huge, and they're filling. Those I would say are my favorite. Or otherwise, I would say nuts. Like not like your nuts, like nuts. Oh, I like this question. Healthiest alcoholic drink. This seems like, some Poo Bani Parvati kind of a question. Healthiest alcoholic drink. Like, come on, there's no healthy alcoholic drink. But if I was to pick one, I feel it's sangria. It's not healthy at all, but it just seems healthy. It's fruity and it's wine. It's just grapes. So it's the healthiest, but it's not healthy. It's sweet and it's got a lot of sugar going on. But if you're really sorry, okay, I'm not going to be kidding, but if you really want to know the healthiest alcoholic drink, it would be gin with water. That is actually what models drink, I've been told. By somebody, some designer told me that supermodels all over the world, they live on gin and water with a little lime. I would eat everything and work out, then eat again, then work out. Like, I just want to confuse my body. I don't want my body to think we are well behaved and everything is in order. No, you have to be okay with eating also, and you have to be okay with like working out also. I'd never tried a diet. Once, I'll tell you this. I think I was going for shoot somewhere and I thought, I've been eating a lot, like nothing new. So I thought that, kuch to ho nahi sakta. 3 din bache the. And I thought, let me go on some sort of a diet. And I found this detox juice diet. So I told my house help that we are going to make juices now. I will tell you what to make, get everything. Yeah, I just did 3 glasses of that diet. That's all. And my house help was also like, Didi. Like, he was also like, are you serious? You're really going to do this? Like, he was also not motivating. So I was like, you know what? We're not going to do this. No. Vese, I know a lot of people who do. Like Ritvik, my friend, Priyanka, I don't know if we call her Pauta. So a lot of other friends I have, they are all on this app called the Calorie Count. I also went on it. But जब आपके दिल में चोर होता है ना, तो these things don't help. Like, I was just, so what my friends do is that they eat whatever little bit, they save up a lot of calories and then they eat in the night. I did the same, but I became fat. Like, I didn't, nothing, and they are all thin. So I know a lot of people.
Becomes my favorite meal. I love pizzas. So, well, it's not a cuisine, but it's just junk food. So I love eating my pizzas, and that's something which I don't hesitate on doing. So I've always been a sports freak ever since I was a kid. So for me, I'm always playing something or always doing something. But if it has to be a regimented workout, mornings are the best time. So I'd advise everyone to exercise in the mornings. So I really don't enjoy going to a gym because I find it very confined, and I like the outdoors. So I love running. Running has something I took up 2 years ago. So I ran a full marathon last year. So that's something I keep doing. Besides which, I play a whole lot of sports. So I play badminton once a week. I make sure I play cricket once a week. So sport is something which I really like to incorporate because it makes it fun. So I did the Kingfisher calendar like 3-4 years ago. So that time I really had to cut down and I had to have a specific body type. That's the only time possibly I had counted my calories. And also during Mirzya, they wanted me to bulk up, which generally women don't do. So that's again a second time I had counted my calories. But on an everyday basis, I just eat like a normal healthy person and exercise a lot. Favorite healthy munchies would be fruits because that's something I keep eating all day. Any day cardio, I get really bored doing weight training. The craziest diet would be again during the Kingfisher calendar because I was really on a very minimal calorie count for the calendar. So it used to be like just boiled vegetables and boiled chicken for like a month, which wasn't fun. Well, I cheat on my diet all the time, so I have no qualms about saying that because I really enjoy my food. I have to eat raised pizzas, I have to eat chocolates. I'm really taken up by chocolates, but I really enjoy working out. I really enjoy running because that's a part of me. So I think it compensates there. Well, not for a dress really, but if I am wearing a bikini, that's something which, a lot of girls wonder what people do. Is if I'm wearing a bikini, then I will cut down on carbs, I will cut down on salts, but that's just like 5 days before shoot or something like that. Remove my makeup, that's something which is very important for all the girls out there. However tired you are, do not be lazy about getting your makeup off. Don't wear makeup when it's not necessary. So if you're just out having coffee, there's really no need to put on makeup. That's something which I do, and drink a lot of.
Well, mornings are the best to just wake up and just hit your gym. But then if I wake up at 11 o'clock, obviously I need to eat and do everything, so I go at 1:30 because I don't have any work that ways. When I'm working, then obviously my schedule changes accordingly, according to my work plan. So people who are going to office and everything, you'll have to plan accordingly. It's okay to work out even in the night because your muscles are going to be so sore and you will have a good night's sleep. So any time is better as long as you're working out. That's important. It's my lunch because I can have more food and I can eat, my quantity can expand a little more because I know throughout the day my body is going to burn the fat. So I try to eat whatever I can in my lunch. Honestly, I don't like to cheat, but sometimes if I feel like I eat it, because I'm not someone who's dieting and depriving myself from food that I like, because the moment I'm going to leave everything and start eating, I'm going to put on double the weight. So I try if I like something like, especially on weekends, if I'm going out, I'm okay if I'm having a pizza, I'm fine with it. But I see to it that it's a thin crust thing, I have 2 slices of it. It's not cheat day. I see people when they call it a cheat day, they eat everything. And then your whole week's workout is gone. So you cannot call that a cheat day. A cheat is something where you taste something which you've not had for a long time. So I think that's very important. So even if I'm cheating, I'm seeing to it that I'm still maintaining my diet and cheating also. I stop eating. No, I work out a lot. If I know that I'm going to shoot within a week or 15 days, obviously my workout becomes double. I change my diet plan. I'm totally off rice, roti, bread in case I'm having it otherwise, alternate day also. I try to skip everything, and I think you have to, there's no other alternative. Never. I've never tried anything that's crazy. I've eaten whatever I like to, but I've made sure that I eat right and I work out every day without fail, and I put all my energies in keeping myself healthy. So I don't do those diets, no salt diet, no food diet, only liquid diet. I've seen people and I see that their faces go like, and they all look so tired as if somebody has just slapped them. And it's very important for me. It's not about being thin, being fat, being fit, or being okay. It's about looking fresh. It's about looking young. It's about not feeling lethargic. It's about enjoying yourself. And for me, it's very important that my face glows. It looks nice. It looks radiant. So for me, I don't do such diets and spoil other things just to have that kind of body. Well, I see all the Beyonce and Jennifer Lopez videos, and then I go to the gym and I show the picture to my trainer and I say, this is what I want to be. So I think the videos inspire me the most. Being an actor, I think entertainment is always something which inspires me the most. So when I see other actors, when they do those music videos in their abs and their sexy thighs and their calves, that's what makes me go to gym and do more squats.